Today I will show you how to enable the texture pack after you downloaded it. The first thing you do when you're in Minecraft, you go to Options and you press Resource Pack. Down here you see Open Pack folder. You press this one and this is a folder with all my texture packs or resource pack. If you don't have any texture pack, this will be empty. But now we will go to this is the file or the texture pack that I've downloaded. I will just put this in here. I move this to this resource pack folder. Now it's right here. Sometimes you have to restart Minecraft for it to pop up, but and you see it works. And I will put a link down below for you if you want to find texture packs, a really good website where you can find and explore. And that's how you use it. Thank you.